nagkalumulugyo sa bala. Dili na ito makapuot ang inuhod na kanina o panaghiusa kung ang atong leader hindi na ito sutupahan. And hindi na makita na only na kailangan na ito o Ginoo.
Hands high, hearts open, in faith, lift your name. We'll praise forever, Jesus. Lift your name. We'll praise forever, Jesus. Lift your name. Sing higher, louder, hallelujah, hallelujah. Higher, louder, our expression of love, our expression of love. Sing higher, louder, hallelujah, hallelujah. Higher, louder, our expression of love, our expression of love to you. We'll never stop praising you.
Here today at Barangay 6-A under the leadership of Kapitan Jennifer Librado. Kauban nato ato mga LPM advocates and functionaries. And of course, nahitabo ni to the initiative of our founding president sa Love Philippines Movement, Bishop Rod Cubo.
It overflow, breaking through.
Salamat kayo, Lord, that the peace of God that transcends all understanding mag-aabot din ako sa life ni Kap as he leads the barangay with righteousness and with the fear of the Lord. I declare today, walay kahong ang division sa iyang barangay council.
We'll never stop.